lockdown season, we really want to be an encouragement to each other to get stuck into the Word of God during this time. So we are going to be joining in together to follow a plan on the YouVersion Bible app. So you can join us on that. So if you haven't got the app, make sure you download it, and then you can just get in contact with us or check our social media to get the link so you can join the same plan. Let's get in the Word of God together.
The more the weight caves in, and I can't stop it. No, I can't stop my soul from crying out. My soul keeps crying.
Our 180 youth events are happening online via Zoom. We can't meet in the building anymore because of lockdown restrictions for now, but on Friday nights at 8:15 p.m, you can join us in the evening where we have some games, hang out, have a bit of a word, and just have fun together. So if you're young and you'd like to join in with us, then get in contact with us to get them Zoom details. Unfortunately, due to the new lockdown restrictions, we're going to be unable to host our physical services on a Sunday evening. However, you can now join us online on Zoom to join us for these services at 6 p.m. every Sunday evening. So you can sign up online to get the Zoom link. See you there, guys. So next Sunday evening, on the 22nd of November, there will be no Excel Church service in the evening that we usually have on Zoom now. That will not be happening because we're going to be joining in with a wider Black Country event run by Love Black Country called Together Apart. So they're going to bring all of us together, and we'd love to invite you to join us on that Zoom call. So if you'd like the details for it, you can sign up on Church Suite or through our website, and you'll get the Zoom detail link. So that's happening next Sunday at 6 p.m. So why not join us for that?
This burden, we gotta share this burden. Brothers, sisters, we gotta share this burden.
On Monday evenings at 7:30, you can now join us for our new Get to Know You series, where we'll be finding out some more information and faith journeys of people from Excel Church. So make sure you join us on Facebook Live at 7:30 every Monday.
We gotta share this. Somebody take a load off of my shoulders. It's too heavy, I can't hold it no more.
That's all for Excel News. If you want any more information, then you can head to our website or get us on social media to keep up to date. Have a great week, guys.